When disaster strikes your home or business, and now you have a big mess to clean up, turn to Paul Davis Restoration. Call us for fire, storm, and water damage, plus mold remediation. We clean all your household contents and can do most of the cleaning and laundry at our local facility. We'll be there from the first phone call until everything is fully restored. Paul Davis has been serving the Columbus area for 18 years. We also take care of the Norfolk and Fremont areas. Call us anytime 24/7, 365 for any property damage emergency.